cake?
We have a woman on the staff out there that every special holiday she goes out and hunts a whole bunch of these. So they talk and put you
Ainsley.
and they talk and sing.
Oh.
One woman came over and
Oh.
grabbed ours.
What happened? Ainsley, did it fall down? It did? You better move your balloon. It's going to get it. It's getting you. Run, run.
Peyton!
Run, run.
What are you doing? I haven't yet, because I don't know what to do with the website. I just bought it.
How much would it cost to buy a website?
I bought it, I registered it for 3 years.
Big.
If I had gone just 1 year, it would have been like 9.
Really?
Huh.
You know, this was years ago, but,
I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but today I...
well, years ago, we...
Are you
went
hiding
on-
that egg?
We were just checking
Where's it gonna hide?
everyone for various interiors, and so we checked into that if anyone had it.
Second, because you did that, I was careful. Because the second you check it, someone goes and buys it.
Then they buy it and then they'll sell it to you.
Oh, that was a good
I
hide.
went to GoDaddy.
So I pushed it.
Are you hiding them all in the same place? Why?
It's a 32-page document.
You don't know?
Explains everything about
She is going to love that.
We'll see if it's
Oh, a hat.
Oh,
Very,
Oh, very nice, Peyton. Hey.
do you want... Okay.
Is that your candle?
You can lick it. You want to lick it?
Ooh, that looks
Do you
good.
want ice cream? Okay. Do you want some ice cream too?
Yeah!
Yeah! Ice cream, and we'll put it down here, okay?
Oh, Ainsley, you need to get your chair. Let's get you a chair and you can eat at the table.
Yeah.
Life's good.
I think that was my cake.
No.
Oh, whose cake was it?
Me.
Not you. Well, sorry, other child.
That.
One of you, park it.
You park it here, Peyton.
Break it.
Park it.
Hey,
Happy
do you want mint? Hey,
birthday.
do you want mint or the white ice cream?
oh, that was blurry.
Wait,
Aw.
I mean,
Come look.
Say, aw, poor Poppy. Poor Poppy. What kind of ice cream do you get, Ainsley? I think that's my cake. Whose cake? Yours.
Could it be mine?
It might be Poppy's.
You know what I figured out?
What are your feet?
You need a flash maybe?
I suppose I could try.
If there's not enough light, then it's the aperture's small.
And you could use a flash.
Ainsley?
Do you want...
Down here.
Katie, would you like a chocolate cupcake?
yeah.
Okay, do you want mint ice cream or cookie dough ice cream?
Cookie dough.
Ooh. What kind of ice cream do you have, Ainsley?
Oreo or
Good?
Good kind.
Good kind?
Cookie dough.
Ah.
vanilla chocolate?
No.
Do you have a good birthday?
Yes.
What did you get for a present? Yeah? Did you get cake and ice cream?
Mom?
Yeah.
Oh, I like cake and ice cream. Do
I'm
you?
just afraid they're going to step on it and it's got a foot.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
When we were at
Did
your,
you make that cake?
your event,
Yeah.
Oh,
getting all
no. Mommy made it.
fancy,
So actually bought
and I
this.
pulled out my...
Did you buy it? Where did you buy it, Peyton?
And she sat for a good
At the
10
store
minutes
Safeway?
doing this.
Just looking.
Did you shop with Mommy?
Is that right?
See, I'm kind of